So we're visiting the upside down house. Take a walk on the ceiling. So cute. Cute little house. And it's not like you can filled with the spirit. Oh, that's so cute. Open. Oh, they're open, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, that's so cute. This is the beach down there. I love it. Oh my goodness. It's okay.
Yeah, it's okay.
It's alright.
Sorry. How many minutes? Yeah.
Oh, but I'm so sorry.
Yeah.
It's okay. That's alright.
I didn't even want to bother you. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Oh,
Yeah. How long is it for? Thank you. So guys, this is the upside down house.
It's too long now.
No, but I'm gonna post it.
It's too long. Why
I'm
don't
putting it
you
on
just start?
YouTube. No man, I'm putting it on YouTube. Doesn't matter. Upside down house. We're excited. I'm very proud. But look, everything is just literally upside down. The chair is upside down. The guitar, everything is upside down. The plant is upside down.
Who's going
Everything.
to take us pictures?
Us?
Yes.
Yeah, there's a toilet in here, upside down toilet. How do you poop in there? So this is the bathroom in the house. There's a toilet. I'm so weird. And so this is like the living area, isn't it?
Yeah.
So this is the living area. This is the toilet.
So, is there anyone to help take us pictures?
Oh. Is she coming?
Yeah. It's a good girl.
Then how do you go there? Wait, this is
So
too
climb
low.
up.
Oh my
Let's
goodness.
go see what's happening upstairs.
This is my husband, everybody. He's a tall, he's a long man, and I'm wondering how he's going
Babe, come,
to
let's go see what's happening upstairs.
Oh, am I safe? Guys, so the stairs is... Ooh, love it. Look at the bed behind you. Oh, wow. Someone says he feels dizzy. No, it doesn't.
Yeah.
Oh my God, can I open the fridge? Oh, look at everything.
A proper house.
Oh wow. Even the bean. I love it. This is the dining area. This is the kitchen. I love it. I'm tempted. Can I open this?
Oh, yeah.
Oh
Lovely
my
opens. If you go from the other side.
Oh, from the other side. Oh wow.
Camera, but I don't know.
So the trick
Look, I will
is
see.
putting is if you reach for something, you kind of like you're falling on it. Or
Okay.
put a hand on something.
Oh, you can open that
Put it in
way.
there. It looks like it's floating off of anything.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. Would you like to join the photo?
Yes.